Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Rinat Khasanov and I am a registered investment advisor in Russian Federation, but we are going to talk about American market. We deliver to you a service of ftinvest.us website. We are value investors. We use technical analysis and value calculations in our strategy dealing with American markets. Please go to our website, register on it. Please also ask me any questions if you have one. But today we're gonna talk about American market, about our predictions, about our forecast. Here we're gonna talk about S&P 500, Nasdaq. I will let you know my prediction about US dollar index, about US government bond yields and Dow Jones. But we begin with our portfolio. You can follow it by registering on our website and subscribing to our service. It is a file, Excel file, which we introduced in 16 years. And since that, you can see that our results were much higher, much better than the result of S&P 500. Nearly 10 years we are going. I hope we will go to this anniversary in January 26 years. But in this week was rather successful for us. We have grown 1.5% per week. We have also have a rather good results year to date, 16% about. But our alpha to S&P 500 is declining. Because American market, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, all are going up. Instead of any technical measures, as you can see, I have shown to you that there was a very strong technical model in S&P 500. And also it have been working, it has worked very good in Nasdaq. You see that even after I show it to you in our website, Nasdaq has fallen, but the trend, the buying trend in America is so strong, so betting against American markets is, you can see, it's a bad idea. I have seen so many times in this year the opportunity to sell American market, and I tried using futures, but I see maybe we have one day result, but no burst of the bubble in the USA. Yes, I think that it's a very big bubble, and bubble is growing. To what level, it's very hard to say now. The rise on Friday was related with data of American inflation. I don't think there is. I don't think it is even important for stock inflation, but market think that Federal Reserve have now the opportunity to down the yield in USA, but there are some problem. I see some problems there, and I'll show it to you. But now, if you look at the graph, we use technical analysis to in our decision in buying and selling stock. But now the overall market movement is so strong, so our technical, I don't know, nothing work in this situation. But there is still a very high level of risk when and if the bubble bursts. Very hard to say what caused this trend. I don't know, international money, something else. But you see, S&P, Nasdaq, and even Dow Jones have are rising to record levels. And I think that following this trend is a very big mistake. But when this advice gonna work, it's also very hard to say. Let's look at the Dow index, dollar index, and you see that the model I have shown to you 2 weeks ago is still actual. The model is still actual. Dollar in a downtrend, and still I don't see any reversal of the American currency. Another one graph is the yield of US 10 years bonds. You see that it has found a bottom. It has found a bottom and could rise from this point. Yes, Federal Reserve can do anything, but they will watch this too. They will watch this too. The yield around 4%. I think it's enough. Maybe I don't. Not. I think the market today think that there is a bottom, and technical analysis shows us this. Please consider this factor as a bad one for American market. Not a worst, not a very big problem, but it is some problem for the overall stock market. Dow Jones is also had negative technical model, but during 2 days it have broken through this support, this resistance line, and it's very hard now to predict we're gonna I think that the trend in USA cannot be so strong for too many time. Cannot be so strong, and we have seen problems in the previous weeks, in this week too, but somebody is still buying. I don't know, maybe there could be a news, something worse, and then the burst of the market. Our portfolio is a very different one. Yes, we have a rather good result, but not so good as a market overall. But there is no so much risk in our stocks. Yes, they will also fall if the market will fall, but I don't see we have a margin of safety which support us and support our stocks. So please consider subscribing to our service. Thank you very much for watching.